once again to Dacty for You's channel. To my old and new subscribers, I say God bless you and thank you so much. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for coming and God bless you. Hey Dacty, what are you doing here?
I'm just
Can you please stand over there, sweetheart?
okay.
If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for coming and God bless you. So it's a street food in Ghana, very simple to make, but guys, we are taking it to a whole new level. If you've been following Dacty for You, you know how we do it. We always try to add a twist to our recipes. I'm going to share with you how I make my ANWAMO. Guys, this is not just ANWAMO, but you know how I make this amazing recipe. Come with me to the kitchen. Oh, we're already in the kitchen already, so it means you want to see this recipe. So you are here in the kitchen with me. So without wasting much time, guys, take your chairs, relax, and have a glass of water, and then just enjoy this amazing recipe. Rice, Tolo beef, my salted tilapia, guys. I pre-cooked this tilapia so that I can take out the bones. I'm making this for my kids. Green pepper, carrot, parsley, onions. I have star anise, 1 star anise, 2 grains of selim. Guys, the star anise and the grains of selim are optional. I have a medium red onions, have a medium sized white onions, but guys, you can use any onion that you want. I have here turmeric powder, oil, salt. So now guys, I have my saucepan on fire and it's heated. So at this time I'm going to pour in the oil. So this oil is about 3 tablespoons of oil, but guys, the amount of oil you use depends on you. I don't really love to have a lot of oil in my cooking. The green pepper, the carrot, and then the parsley. I'm also going to add in the anise and the selim grains. What I'm doing here right now is that I'm trying to extract the flavors from all these ingredients, all these amazing ingredients. I want them in my food, so I'm just trying to extract them from it before I start. But guys, you can skip this step. So we're going to take out all these ingredients from the oil and then we continue. Guys, do not throw these away. You can add them to your marinade. So at this time, I'm going to add in the Tolo beef. Guys, remember we're doing all this on a medium heat. And then we're adding in all the onions at this time. Guys, I'm using a lot of onions. I like to use a lot of onions in my cooking. This has been on fire for about 3 minutes now, and at this time I'm going to add in the turmeric to it. So we're going to add in the turmeric at this time. And I'm adding in the turmeric, and then we stir it in. Now I'm going to add in my washed rice to it. I'm going to stir everything in. So this is it, guys. So at this time we're going to just let it be on fire for about 2 to 3. The reason for this is that I want the rice to extract all the flavors from the onions, the Tolo beef, the turmeric, and everything before we add in water. So this is it, guys. At this time, you see, this is how it's looking like. So So at this time I'm going to just, this is how it's looking like. At this time I'm just going to add in water. Guys, I'm not adding a lot of water because I don't want my rice too soft. But if you want yours too soft, you can add a little bit more water. So after I add water, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to taste for salt. You see, I did not add any salt to this because the Tolo beef and the fish already have salt, so you don't want it to taste so salty, so you need to check it out first. So guys, in my case, I find out that my rice needs a little bit of salt, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it, just a little bit. Let it cook on a medium heat for about 25 to 30 minutes, and our rice will be ready. On the rice and then see. So guys, this is the rice. Just look at this, beautiful people. Look at this. Look at it. Guys, it's cooked perfectly. Look at the rice. Now this is it. If you love my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to eat this with my pepper sauce, my green veggie pepper sauce. Guys, that recipe is coming up soon, and so if you love my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I say welcome and God bless you. And if you are an old subscriber, I say God bless you so much for staying with me.